My name is Henry from GI Technology. Currently, we are inside Obuasi. We did this beautiful electric fencing for our customer, very nice. And then we give the customer some great energizer. So now no thief can actually jump the wall and then come to the house and pack anything. We are in Accra, Kumasi, and everywhere in Ghana. If you are looking for the best electric fence company, we are the #1 in Ghana. Let's go. Let me show you our final project, our final work, how the work looks. Let's go. Follow me. Let's go.